If you're trying to decide between Instapage and ConvertKit for building landing pages, you're in the right place. Both promise high converting pages, but which one is actually the best? By the end of this video, you'll know which software suits your needs, or if there's an even better option you should consider. First thing, Instapage is known for its advanced page builder, while ConvertKit is more focused on email marketing. So, if you're just looking for landing pages, Instapage seems like the obvious choice. But hold on, there's a catch. Next thing, Instapage is powerful but expensive. Their pricing starts at $299 per month. That's a lot, especially for solo creators or small businesses. Yes, you get dynamic personalization, A/B testing, and heat maps, but are those features worth the cost? If you're running high-budget ad campaigns, maybe. But for most people, it's overkill. Meanwhile, ConvertKit includes landing pages in all its plans, even the free one. They're simple and integrate seamlessly with email automation, but the customization is limited. You won't get the drag-and-drop flexibility of Instapage, and you can't fine-tune the design as much. If you need pixel-perfect pages, this might be a deal-breaker. The third thing, speed and ease of use. Instapage has a learning curve. The editor is feature-packed, but not the most intuitive. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is ridiculously easy to use. You can build a basic page in minutes, but again, you're trading customization for simplicity. The fourth thing, conversion focus. Instapage gives you conversion-optimized templates and advanced analytics, but ConvertKit's strength is its built-in email marketing. If your goal is to capture leads and nurture them with automated sequences, ConvertKit makes more sense. But if you need high-performance landing pages for paid traffic, Instapage wins. Now, after testing both, they're solid tools, but here's the truth, there's a better option if you want powerful landing pages without spending a fortune. If you're serious about getting the best landing page software for your business, check out the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial and special perks only available to our viewers.